What is up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, y'all might notice something, a little different about me. Go ahead, take a guess. Oh, I dyed my hair red. I was gonna record me dyeing my hair red, but I was scared that it wasn't gonna turn out good. So I went ahead and just skipped that part and was like, I'm just gonna record it, and then when I finally do a blowout and I straighten it, I'll let y'all know. Sorry if I sound really weird. I'm still getting over a cold, so my whole sinuses and mucus and all that stuff is just, it's all out of whack. Everything is just jacked up. I sound horrible and I low-key feel horrible, but I'm still gonna do this video for you guys today. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I straighten my hair. I've already blown my hair out before because I did it last night right after I dyed my hair. So it's completely blown out, and the only product that I'm going to be using on my hair is the Argan Oil Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Mist. That's going to be the only thing that I'm using because I feel like the more products that I use, it kind of weighs my hair down and it doesn't give it like a flow that I want it to have. But I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the video so you guys can watch me straighten my brand new red hair. Alright, y'all, so my camera died in the middle of me doing my hair, but from what I did record, you get the gist of what was going on, you know. But basically, I really am feeling this hair color. I'm just taking this to kind of set everything in. I'm really feeling this hair color. I think it looks really good on me. I feel like it's really complimenting me. And ignore my edges. My edges are like terrible. I think I'm gonna wait to slick those down just because I know that when you put edge control on straight hair, it kind of frizzes them up, and I don't really want my edges to be frizzy yet. Now I'm basically just about to add some bump to my hair using my flat iron. But I forgot to show y'all. Since I didn't show you guys how I dyed my hair, I was just going to show you guys which one I used. So I used the Via Natural Semi-Permanent Hair Color. So it's not a permanent hair dye. I mean, I guess it'll just wash out in the next few days or next few weeks or whatever. But I like this hair color, so I'm probably going to buy it again and kind of touch everything up when it starts to fade. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you give this video a like and comment on this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. I'm about to go ahead and wrap this up and, you know, preserve it and all that, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.